good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech. Today in this video, I'll tell you why did I purchase this Pigeon 1800 watt induction cooktop with push button. Anyway, when I receive this, I'll doing the unboxing video, and after that, I'll be doing the cooking video demo, something like that. How you can use this Pigeon 1800 watt. See here, it will be, it will be delivered like 3 days, after 3 days. Okay, so within 3 days I'll do an unboxing video, and once I do the unboxing video I'll be doing how to use video also. But let me tell you that why did I purchase this. The first reason is it is showing the as the Flipkart choice, and this got 4 rating, and many users have rated, almost like 6,50,000 users have already purchased this, and that too 1800 watts. I have searched all other brands, right? I just searched all over Prestige and every other brand, but one thing is, few other are not deliverable at my place, means it is not getting delivered at my place, and some are not available. So ultimately I got to the second chance. So as it suggested, this Flipkart also suggested this Pigeon 1800 watt cooktop. So I got this, and now it is showing like 1500 rupees. So this got 7 preset modes for no hassle cooking, means with one click button. See here, I can zoom it or what. A preset in the sense, say for example, if you are making tea or boiling milk, the buttons are pre-available, means you can just click one click here, and that will adjust the heat for you. Even though it is 1800 watts, say for example, if you are preparing tea, it may not need 1800 watt power to make the tea. So when you click on this tea button, it will adjust the heat accordingly. Okay, that's the meaning of 7 preset modes. See here, a pressure cook, salt, curry, dosa, chapati, deep fry, idli, milk boil. See here, these are the presets: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So just click the button here and you can do that. And the main reason is it got Flipkart choice tag, and that too 4 rating. That's the reason I have purchase this. So once it is delivered, I'll definitely do those 2 videos. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments, and anyway check in the description for the unboxing and other videos, and in the first comment also.